If you want to change slow motion speed on the Xiaomi 17, then of course you can open the camera. We're gonna proceed to the slow motion mode over here, and here in the upper right corner we can change the frame rate, and this is what we need to do in order to adjust the slow motion speed. The more frames per second we have in our slow motion video, the slower the video can be. So if you use 240 frames per second, the video can be slowed down even more compared to a video with 120 frames per second. And of course 960 allows you to have even slower video, but in this case only the quarter of the video is actually slowed down. So here on this button, this red button, you can see around it we have these like thin lines, and this quarter over here is the it has more space between these lines. In this area, this quarter over here is the part that is going to be recorded and is going to be in the slow motion. So it is a little bit tricky to record slow motion videos like this with 960 frames per second, but if you want to, of course, be able to record as much as you want, then 240 should be the better option if you want to have even slower videos compared to 120 frames per second. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.